Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you how I organize my daughter's bows. This is not a perfect tutorial, it is just something that is quick, easy with items that you probably already have around your house. If you can see, I have laid out 3 strips of ribbon. I had this ribbon kind of already on hand. It's burlap and lace, and I cut each strip into 1 yard pieces. And I did probably add a little bit of an inch at the top just so you'll see for when I flap it over and glue it onto the hanger. And you're also going to need a pink little baby hanger. I know that y'all probably have this. It doesn't have to be pink. And then a glue gun, and you shouldn't use more than 1 stick, and then of course some scissors, and then the bows that you will be putting on there. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I'm going to just put this together to make a quick, easy DIY bow holder. So I am just right now laying the hanger out the way that I'm going to want it to hang on the wall. Since I'm doing 2 of these, I wanted them both to be facing the same way. So the other one that I made prior to this had the hook pointing to the right side, so that's why I flipped it over. So I just flipped over my ribbon, and you can see I left about 1/2 inch at the top right there, and I'm just going to fold it over and glue it just so that it kind of wraps around the bottom of the hanger. And since I have 3 strips, I'm going to be doing 1 strip on each end and then 1 in the middle. Say cheese. Now on to my new favorite bows. I just ordered this lot of 40 bows off Amazon for $11.99, and they came in 2 days, and they are just so cute. I believe they're about 4 inches wide, and they do have the metal clip on the back. And this is only for these solid colors, not for these bows over to the right. But I really love them. I was really happy with the purchase, and I will post a link to them below.